And ladies and gentlemen, just to be clear, this is not a sponsored video.
Hey, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Day uno, dos, day dos. I need photo bombs. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Yeah. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. You are now watching the Let's Talk with Mo show, and I am your host, Miss Mo. Shout out to all of the motivators out there. If you would like to become a motivator, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Now, this is going to be an unboxing show for none other than Shoedazzle. If you want to stick around and see what I ordered from Shoedazzle, please keep on watching. Okay, so I love Shoedazzle. I did one unboxing before. I will link that show up top. You can click on that. I ordered 2 pairs of boots from Shoedazzle. I absolutely love their shoes. They sell everything. They sell clothing, they sell accessories, they sell shoes, boots, sandals. Yeah, they sell a lot of things. I've been ordering from them for years. I am a VIP member. And so if you want to be a VIP member, that's the way to go, because of course you get certain perks for being a VIP member. You get the first look of like new arrivals. You know, you get like flash sales just for VIP members. And so, yeah, you know, it's a good thing to be a VIP member. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. I ordered 1 pair of boots for right now, but I will definitely be ordering more for the fall and the winter, because my boot game right about now is kind of down. So, but let's go. And so just to let you know, I have had this box for like a couple of weeks, and I said, oh my goodness, I gotta do this, because I am just so excited to see how, you know, what it looks like, what I ordered. So come on. So of course, comes in the bag right here. Let's get trusty scissors. Let's make sure I ain't cut nothing. Yeah, there we go. Put these over here. Go. That over there. And here we have the big box. I have like, well, I don't want to go overboard, but yeah, I just love Shoedazzle. I am a size 8, and so I have never been steered wrong whenever I have ordered from Shoedazzle. I'm a straight 8 with them. There's no up, down, in between. It's an 8. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, let me see. I'll tell you what I ordered. I ordered a bootie. It is, what's the name of this? Crema, I think they're calling it. Crema, C-R-E-M-A. And the color is mustard. I don't own a pair of mustard shoes or boots. And so, yeah, just a little quick side note. Ladies, let's get into more colors. You know, you can order black, blue, brown. You can order those colors anytime. Let's get into more colors, more colorful. Ooh. You guys don't know. I am a shoe head, okay? I'm a shoe boot head. So these are what they look like. Smoking. So just a little side note. I am a size 8, like I said, but I can only do like 4 inches at the most. Now, when it comes to a wedge boot, shoe, sandal, whatever it is, when it comes to a wedge, I'll probably get away with like 4.5. But yeah, when it comes to anything else, a regular heel, it's got to be 4. If it's like 4.25, I'll order it, but then I'll get that quarter cut off, because you know, with certain shoes, they are able to cut something off. But anyway, look at this. Look at this. Would you look at this? Of course, you could see the buckle, and then there's a zipper on the side, inside. Oh man, let's see. Oof. Of course, it comes with you know, and the stuff inside that keeps the form of your boot or shoe nicely. And then the heel though. But look at the heel though. Nice, thick, chunky heel. Yes. This is a beautiful boot, guys. Oh my goodness. I am in love. Yes, 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 yes. I think I need to buy something new just to go with these. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. But like I was saying before, I really love Shoedazzle. You know, so you go on the website, and up top it says Shoedazzle, and it says Just Fab, and they even have an option for children as well. So I will link all of the information in the description box below. But yeah, oh my goodness. Another look. Boo! I can't wait to wear these. Of course, I don't want fall to come, but I can't wait to wear these. But ladies and gentlemen, that is it for my unboxing. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the boots that I ordered, what you think about the Shoedazzle website, which I will definitely leave below. So yeah, I am just so excited. So that's it for this video. Don't forget, I come on Springfield, Massachusetts, local Comcast channel 12 every Saturday at 4 p.m. Every Saturday at 4 p.m. Please come check out your girl. That's it. Please check me out in my next video. And like I always say, let's talk.